It's unboxing time. We're gonna start off with my first package from Nail Mart. You guys know this is where I get like 99% of the products that I use. So I got more drill bits. These are different. Oh, they sent me some extras. Okay, so I got this little tiny one. I got this longer pointed flame. I got this round ball bit. And I got I think this one's like a short soft tip flame. They actually sent me some extra goodies that I'm so excited about. So I got some of these pigments, which these are actually going to be perfect like if it's just like a quick like aura or ombre look, but with these pigments. So we're going to be trying these out. Some chromes. Who doesn't love chrome? I literally love chrome so much. So we got some of these. We got these three. So ended up ordering another magnet for the cat eye. This one is a rounded one because I was having a little bit of a hard time with that rectangle cocoist one. It just like I couldn't finagle it too much. So we're gonna try this one out because this is kind of what I'm more so used to. Oh, what is this? I think this might be a gel brush. Love this. They sent me a gel brush too, which I'm gonna be keeping this at home. This is gonna be my at-home gel brush. This is so cute. I love this. So this is staying here. Okay, these are the other ones that I ordered. I got some of the soft tip flames. So I got 7 of these. I also got more of the Accents Trinity Gel in Clear because you guys know Accents Trinity hard gels are my go-to. Got the Trinity Clear from Accent. I also got their SC2, which is kind of the one that I had mentioned. It has a little bit of a pink undertone, but I like to use this one with like a thin coat of Koi, the milky white one, over this for like a really nice milky white color. So that's it from Nail Mart. Let's unbox this. I got a package sent from Gelish and I'm so excited. Let's see what they sent us. Okay, so they sent me the round natural short tips and then the almond natural medium tips, and then they also sent the soft gel tip adhesive. So this is one that I use when I'm getting the tips onto the natural nail, and then obviously their nail primer. Gotta have a good primer. And then I also got this. So Gelish is also like with Morgan Taylor, so they're both kind of like the same brand. Oh, foundation flex. So this is a soak off rubber base. Oh, this color is so pretty. And we got a nude. Okay, so this is cover beige and this one's a light nude. Oh, this is such a pretty nude. This is really pretty. They're so like pigmented. So yeah, that is what I got from Gelish. I can't wait to use these. Thank you, Gelish, so much for sending this. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.